SAPSD Expert Notes. Redesigning Pricing Logic, Customer or Channel Specific. 1. Executive Summary and Consultant Mindset. The challenge. The client requires a fundamental restructuring of how pricing is determined. The generic one-price-fits-all model is obsolete. They need a granular approach where base prices, discounts, and taxes vary dynamically based on who is buying, customer, and how they are buying. Channel. The consultant's role. This is not just a configuration task. It is an architectural redesign. As a consultant, you must move beyond simple table maintenance. You are implementing a hierarchy of logic that ensures the right price is selected over the wrong one automatically. Key objectives. 1. Scalability. The solution must handle future channels or customer groups without requiring a new CR every time. 2. Accuracy. Zero tolerance for pricing errors. Financial impact. 3. Traceability. The business must understand why a certain price was picked. 2. Requirement analysis and blueprinting. Before touching the configuration, dissect the requirement. Different customers and sales channels need different base prices, discounts, and taxes. 2. 1. The dimensions of pricing. You must identify the fields that trigger price changes. Based on the prompt, these are your key fields: sales organization, VKO, RG. The highest level of pricing logic. Distribution channel, VTWEG, example. Wholesale versus retail versus e-commerce. Division, SPART. Product lines. Customer, KUNNR. Specific negotiated rates for big clients. Customer price group, KONDA. Grouping smaller customers, example. Silver, gold tier. Material, MATNR. The product being sold. 2. The pricing elements to redesign. 1. Base price, PR00. The gross price before deductions. Needs to be channel dependent. 2. Discounts, K004, K007, etc. Needs to be customer or group dependent. 3. Taxes, MWST. Needs to account for cross-border logic and customer tax classification. 3. Core architecture, the condition technique. To implement this redesign, you must master the condition technique. This is the engine of SAP pricing. 3. 1. The 4 pillars. 1. Condition table. The key combination. Example. Table 304. Material or dist. Channel. 2. Access sequence. The search strategy. It tells SAP which tables to check and in what order. Specific dollars to dollars. General. 3. Condition type. The nature of the price. Example. Base price. Discount. 4. Pricing procedure. The calculation schema. Base price. Discount plus tax equals net value. 4. Detailed solution design. Base prices. Requirement. Different prices for different sales channels. 4. One strategy, specificity versus generality. We cannot simply have one price list, we need a hierarchy. Level 1, highest priority. Specific customer plus material, negotiated contract. Level 2, customer group plus material. Level 3, distribution channel plus material. Channel-specific list price. Level 4, lowest priority. Material only, global base price. 4. 2 configuration steps. Hands-on. Step 1. Define condition tables. Transaction V or O3. You likely need to create or verify custom tables, 500 to 999 namespace, or use standard ones. Table A, sales org, or dist. Channel or customer or material, very specific. Table B, sales org or dist. Channel or price list, type or material. Table C, sales org or dist. Channel or material, the channel requirement. Step 2. Modify access sequence for PR00, transaction V or 07. This is where the logic lives. You must arrange the tables from most specific to least specific. Access number. Table description requirement. Exclusive. 10,005 customer or material X. 20A S org or DCH or MAT X. 30B S.org or MATX. Consultant tip: the exclusive indicator is crucial. If SAP finds a price for the specific customer, access 10. It should stop searching. If you uncheck this, it might find the channel price, access 20, and add them together or overwrite, causing errors. Step 3. Maintenance, transaction VK11. Create records for DIST. Channel 01, wholesale, dollars to dollars, material X equals $100. Create records for DIST. Channel 02, retail, dollars to dollars, material X equals $120. 5. Detailed solution design, discounts. Requirement, different discounts for customers. 5. 1 strategy, hierarchical and cumulative. Discounts are trickier than base prices. Sometimes they replace each other, best price. And sometimes they stack, summer sale plus loyalty discount. Scenario A, customer-specific discount, fixed. Use standard condition type K007, customer discount. Key, customer, KUNNR. Scenario B, channel-specific promotion. Use standard condition type KA00, sales deal. Key, DIST. Channel or material. 5. 2. Handling overlaps, condition exclusion groups. What if a customer qualifies for both a gold partner discount, 10%, and a summer channel promo, 5%? Client decision. Do they get 15%, 10 plus 5, or just the better one, 10%? Configuration, transaction, OV31. 1. Define exclusion group. Create group Z001. Customer disc. 2. Assign conditions. Add K007 and KA00 to group Z001. 3. Set logic. Assign the group to the pricing procedure with logic A, best condition between the two, or L, least favorable. Consultant tip: always clarify best price logic with the business. It is a common source of post-go-live disputes. 6. Detailed solution design, taxes. Requirement: different taxes based on customer or location. 6. 1. The departure versus destination logic. SAP determines taxes. Condition type MWST, based on 3 keys. 1. Departure country, from plant. 2. Destination country, from ship to party. 3. Tax classification. Is the material taxable? Is the customer tax exempt? 6. 2. Configuration check. The CR mentions different customers. This implies some customers are tax exempt. Example: government entities, export customers. Step 1. Define tax categories. Transaction OVK3. Ensure MWST is assigned to the country. Example: US, IN, DE. Step 2. Master data governance. Customer master, XD02. Go to Sales Area Data, dollars to dollars, Billing Document tab. Tax Class 0 equals tax exempt. Tax Class 1 equals liable for tax. Material Master, MM02, Sales General or Plant tab. Tax Class 1 equals full tax. Tax Class 2 equals reduced tax. Step 3. Condition records. VK11-MWST. You do not usually maintain manual rates for every customer. You maintain rates for the combination, Departure US or DEST US, or CUST Class 1, or MAT Class 1 dollar to dollars 10%. Departure US or DEST US, or CUST Class 0, or MAT Class 1 dollar to dollars 0%. 7. Advanced logic, pricing procedures, and routines. Sometimes standard configuration isn't enough. You may need ABAP routines, VOFM. 7. 1. The calculation schema, pricing procedure. You need to arrange your new conditions in the procedure, transaction V or 08. Step counter type description, from, to subtotal, raked, alt CTA, alt CBV, 100PR, 00, base price 9, gross, 2. 200K 00 channel disk, 30K 007 cust disk, 100 net value S, net, 200 OMWST, output tax 10. 7. 2 requirement routines, the rect column. Routine 2, item with pricing, ensures pricing only runs if the item is relevant for pricing. Routine 10, plant set. Used for taxes. Ensures taxes only calculate if a plant is determined. 7. 3 group conditions, header versus item. If the client wants a discount based on the total order value, not just one item, you must mark the condition type as a group condition in V or O6. Example: if total order greater than $1,000, give 5% off all items. SAP sums the value of all items to determine the scale base. 8. Testing strategy, crucial for redesign. You cannot simply change pricing and hope for the best. You need a robust test plan. 8. 1-unit testing scenarios. 1. Channel check. Create order in channel O1 versus channel O2. Expected. Different PR 00. 2. Customer check. Create order for customer A, gold, vs customer B, standard. Expected. Different discount. 3. Tax check. Create order for local customer versus foreign customer. Expected. Tax versus no tax. 4. Exclusion check. Apply conditions for both gold discount and channel promo. Expected. System picks the best one, if configured. 8. 2. Regression testing. Old orders. Ensure that opening an old order, created before the change, does not automatically reprice unless explicitly requested. Update rules. Returns. Ensure returns reference the original pricing, not the new redesigned pricing. Use copy controls, transaction VTAA or VTF, to ensure pricing type is set to D, copy unchanged, or G9. Troubleshooting and analysis. When the price is wrong, do not guess. Use the pricing analysis tool. 1. Open the sales order, VA02. 2. Go to Item Conditions tab. 3. Click the Analysis button. 4. Drill down, Condition found, green light. Shows which table and record were picked. Condition missing, red light. Shows access not made, or condition record missing. Requirement not met. Check the VOFM routine. Example: Routine 2 failed. 10. Cut over and migration. The danger zone. Moving this to production. 1. Transport request. Ensure all tables, access sequences, and procedures are included. Note: condition tables, workbench, and procedures customizing are often in different requests. 2. Master data load. You must load the new VK11 records immediately after the transport goes in. Use LSMW or LTMC for mass upload. 3. Open sales orders. Decide strategy. Option A, leave open orders as is, safest. Option B, mass update pricing. Transaction VA, $05 to dollars. Edit dollars to dollars, mass change dollars to dollars, new pricing. Warning: this will change the net value and may affect credit checks.